Hello students, today we will continue our chapter 5 Advanced Features in MS Access. So in our previous class we have discussed about filtering in a datasheet, and today we will talk about sorting. Sorting and filtering are a little bit different from each other, but we seems it similar, but they are different. So sorting means arranging the data either in the ascending or descending order. The records in the table are not sorted in a particular order because when you enter the data, it's not according to the alphabetic order or numbers. You just enter the data available from the source, but later on we can sort it according to our need in a ascending or descending order. So here you can see this ID, and we are just sorting it to smallest to largest. Okay, and name of the students according to A to Z. So here the first name A and last S, so it is sorted according to their alphabet. There is a slight difference between sorting and filtering. I will tell you now. See, in sorting everything is in ascending or descending order, arranged in ascending and descending order, but when you filter anything you can select. For example, if I want only data of Alok, Anushka and Athar, then I will select these names and click on OK. So only the data of these three students will be in front of me. It can be in ascending or descending order, or it can be according to the data entered on a particular date. So this is filtering. It is not necessary that the data will be in ascending or descending order, but it is according to the filter we have put. Here we have only selected 3 names, that's why only 3 students' name are in front of us. And if I click on all, then all the name will be in front of us. So now we will discuss how you can import data from another application. So first of all, we will go and click on external data, and out of these various options we will select Excel, and later on we will click on the file we want. We can choose the file or browse it, and click on the file and click on open, then click on next, OK, and next, then again next. Then we can choose the field type from the field option, and this yes, no duplicates. Then click on next option and let access add primary key, select this one, and again click on the next option, and after that click on finish. So you can save the import step as well, and click on save import. So we will just save import, and here you can see a name as sheet 1 that we have imported from Excel, and these files is in front of us, and we can also change its field name or view it as design view and datasheet view. It's according to you, and we can see the data that we have imported from MS Excel.